Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can take macro photo in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. First open camera in your phone and here uh, go to this icon. Just click here and it will turn to macro shot mode. And now bring any object here. I bring this object and keep the object very close to the camera and take a picture. And I bring another one. See here. Another one. And open the picture that I took. See here, very small details are enlarged and that are clearly visible. Okay, so in this way you can easily take macro photos using your phone Vivo Y100 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.